Hi all, this video is on marginal relief for individuals. So according to Income Tax Act 1961, a marginal relief is given to individuals whose taxable income is beyond the threshold limit after which surcharge is payable, but the net income above the threshold limit is less than the surcharge. So this is the statement which says that in case the individual is earning taxable income, also known as total income or net income, which is equals to gross total income minus deductions under section 80C to 80U. In this case, if it is beyond the threshold limit after which surcharge is payable, then it is given in case the net income above the threshold limit is less than the surcharge. So let's understand this statement with the help of an example. This is very easy, but when you just look at the statement, it looks like more complex, but it is not, trust me. So before moving to the questions, first we'll understand and we will revise the tax slab rates for individuals. So this is for the assessment year 21-22 and for assessment year 2021 also. The rates have not changed much. So it is same only. That is up to 2,50,000, it is 0. 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, 5%. 5 lakh to 10 lakh, 20%. And above 10 lakhs, it is 30%. The special rates have also been announced for individuals and Hindu Undivided Family in the Finance Act 2020, which gives an option to the individuals to either use this special tax rates or use the earlier tax rates. The only difference is in case they use these special tax rates, which are comparatively lower, only when they forego certain exemptions and deductions. So for making this video, I am using the questions for as per the existing rates only, but you can also practice by using the new special tax rates for individuals. So I am not revising this much, you can just take a note of it. Then these are the surcharges. What are surcharges? This is an additional charge payable on income tax. So this is over and above the income tax and it is added to the taxpayers who have higher incomes. Higher income means in case their incomes are greater than 50 lakhs but less than 1 crore, it is 10%. Between 1 crore to 2 crore, it is 15%. 2 to 5, 25%. 5 to 10, 37%. And above 10, 37%. And it is same as assessment year 2021. Okay, so we have revised the surcharges. Now we'll understand the marginal relief for individuals. Case 1. Case 1 where the range is 50 lakhs to 1 crore. So 50 lakhs to 1 crore, the surcharge is 10%. So a marginal relief is provided up to the difference between the excess tax payable including surcharge. How you will calculate this excess tax? This is the total tax payable after earning the income which is greater than 50 lakhs minus the tax payable on exact 50 lakh rupees. So whatever the difference, this is excess tax payable. Then you have to subtract the amount of income that exceeds 50 lakhs. So first just look at the example below. In case of taxable income is of rupees 50 lakhs and in this case the taxable income is 50 lakhs 70,000. So in this case, for example, the last year the person was earning exact 50 lakh rupees and now he has taxable income of 50 lakh 70,000. So he is very happy that he has earned more, that is 70,000 more than the last year. So he is very happy and at the time of filing the tax to the government, he calculated his tax liability. So for example, in the previous year, his taxable income was 50 lakhs. So up to 2,50,000, 0. 2,50,000 into 5% is 12,500. Then next 5 lakh into 20%, 1 lakh, and the remaining, that is 40 lakhs into 30%, 12 lakh. Well, you add these are equal to the 50 lakh of rupees. So this is the total tax before surcharge. So this is 13 lakh 12,500. In case of 50 lakh 70,000, up till rupees 5 lakh, next 5 lakhs, it is same only. And here the balancing amount is 40,70,000 because you have already charged the tax on the 10 lakh rupees. So remaining is 50,70,000 minus 10 lakh. So it is 40,70,000 at the rate of 30%. So this is the total tax before surcharge. Now, since in this case the person is earning exactly 50 lakhs, so there is no surcharge, and in this case the person have to pay surcharge at the rate of 10%. So in this case, this multiplied by 10% is 1,33,350. Now see what this concept is all about. In this case, the person has earned a mere extra income of 70,000 as compared to previous year. But see how much tax liability has increased. Now the tax liability has increased by 1,33,350 as surcharge and little bit of difference, that is the 70,000 into 30%. So this has increased. So in this case, the difference of the income the person has earned in exceeding to the 50 lakhs is much lesser to the surcharge now which he is liable to pay to the government. So this is really very unfair for the individual that only he has earned 70,000 extra income. Now he has to pay so much of tax amount to the government. So in order to compensate this abnormality, the government has introduced this marginal relief concept. So how we will calculate this? In this, you will first calculate the excess tax payable. So this is this, that is in actual income it is this total tax plus surcharge minus total tax plus surcharge on the lower limit, that is up till 50 lakhs. This is the total tax plus surcharge. Okay. So minus the amount of income that exceeds 50 lakhs. So how much it is exceeding? 70,000. So minus 70,000. So this is the marginal relief. This minus the extra income that the person has earned. Okay, so this is marginal relief. Now you simply subtract this marginal relief from this total tax and surcharge amount, and now this is the adjusted tax plus surcharge. After that, you will add the health and education cess at the rate of 4%. Then it equals to, this is his total tax liability. So when you can also cross check the answer like this, that adjusted tax plus surcharge is how much? 13,82,500 minus total tax plus surcharge, that is 13,12,500. So this equals to 70,000. So this is the extra income that the person has earned. So always remember that the difference of the adjusted tax and surcharge minus the tax and surcharge on the lower limit will always be equal to the extra income that the person has earned. So in this case, it is 70,000. So always cross check your answer like this. Okay, so the difference is always equal to the exceeding income of that person. I hope this is clear. Now we will move to the next case. So next case is when this range is 1 crore but does not exceeding 2 crores. So this is the tax liability on 1 crore, that is up to rupees 2,50,000 zero. Then next 12,500, then next 5 lakhs 1 lakh, and the remaining 90 lakhs, it is 30%, so 27 lakhs. In this case, now the person has earning only 1 lakh income extra in the next year. So in this case, the balancing amount is 91 lakh into 30% is 27 lakh 30,000. Now you will add them up. So this is the total tax before surcharge. Now you have to add the surcharge. So this is 1 crore. So the surcharge applicability is 10%. Now it is exceeding just by 1 lakh. So it is now 15%. So this is now new surcharge amount that he has to pay. And this is the total tax plus surcharge, this plus this. Now again there is an abnormality, that just because he is earning 1 lakh of extra income, he has to pay the extra surcharge of 1,45,125, which is really very unfair to the individual, right? Because this surcharge amount is higher than the increase in taxable income. So now you will again provide the marginal relief. So marginal relief will be total tax plus surcharge. So it is 32,68,875 minus 30,090 30 lakhs 93,750 minus the additional income, that is 1 lakh in our case. So this is marginal relief. Again you will subtract it. Then this is the adjusted tax and surcharge. Then health and education cess you will add normally. Then this is the tax liability. You can again cross check your answer by subtracting the adjusted tax plus surcharge, that is 31,93,750 minus the lower limit or lower threshold limit total tax and surcharge, that is 30,93,750. So it is 1 lakh, which is always equals to the exceeded income. Okay, understood? So this is clear. Now this is case 3, which you can please practice when the income exceeds 2 crores up till 5 crores. So in this case, up to 2 crores, the surcharge is 15%. In case of 5 crores, it is 25%. Calculate this amount, practice it and write in the comment box. I'll check and I'll tell you whether it is correct or not. Similarly, practice for case 4 also when your net income exceeds 5 crores. There is no case 5 because 5 to 10 crores also the surcharge is 37%, and above 10 crores also the surcharge is 37%. So whenever the surcharge thing is there, marginal relief is only for case up till case 4 when the income is 50 lakhs to 1 crore, 1 crore to 2 crore, 2 to 5 and above 5 crores. So calculate this amount and tell me in the comment section. Also make note that whenever your calculated marginal relief is coming out to be as negative figure, it means you don't have to provide any kind of relief to the individual. It means the tax liability of the person is accurate and the person has to pay the extra amount to the government. The surcharge is not greater than the exceeded income. So you always have to remember, whenever the surcharge case is coming in your question, means whenever the taxable income of the individual is greater than 50 lakhs, then you have to pay the surcharge, and at the time of payment of surcharge, you always have to check whether marginal relief is to be given to the individual or not. The question will specifically not mention that you have to calculate the marginal relief. It should always be in your mind that whenever surcharge thing is there in the question, means marginal relief concept will definitely come into the picture. I hope this video is clear. In case of any doubts, please write in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel also, and always keep appreciating so that it's kind of motivating me to prepare more videos for you students. Okay, I hope you like it and see you next time.